In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and download Chatgpt API invoices or receipts. Whether you're managing your finances or keeping track of your expenses, accessing and downloading these invoices is an essential task. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to the official OpenAI platform. You'll need to log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. But assuming you do, go ahead and sign in. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the OpenAI dashboard. From here, we need to focus on the billing section to find those elusive invoices. You'll notice a few options on the dashboard. Look for a button or link that says Go to Billing and give that a click. This will redirect you to the billing section of the platform, where all the financial transactions related to your use of the Chatgpt API are managed. Once you're there, you'll want to keep an eye out for the billing history option. This option is your gateway to accessing past charges and payments. Click on Billing History, and what you should see next is a comprehensive list of all your past charges and payments. Each entry in this list represents a transaction that you've made. At this stage, you'll want to have a specific invoice in mind, or perhaps you're just browsing through them for record keeping. Either way, scanning through this list will provide you with the details you need. When you've identified the specific invoice you're interested in, click on it to view its details. The detailed view provides an overview of the transaction, including important information such as the date, amount, and specific items or services you were billed for. This level of detail is crucial for ensuring accuracy in your financial records, or for addressing any discrepancies that might arise. Finally, within this detailed view, there is usually a button that allows you to download the invoice. It may be labeled as Download or Download Invoice. Clicking this button will save a PDF copy of the invoice to your computer. Make sure to choose a location on your computer where you can easily find it again. This PDF can then be kept for your records, shared with other team members, or used for reconciliation purposes. And there you have it. You're all set. By following these steps, you've successfully accessed and downloaded your Chatgpt API invoices. Remember to keep these records safe and organized for future reference. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any more questions.